Hello friends, I'm Miss Tiffany. Let's do an art project together. Today, we're going to do the bird. Step 1, cut bird body. If you have our kit, your bird body will look something like this. If you don't have our kit, you are welcome to cut a bird body out of any paper you have. Step 2, cut bird wing. If you have our kit, your bird wing is going to look like this, a half of a circle. Step 3, hole punch the wing and the body. My wing already has a hole punch in it, but the body does not. It just has a hole, and I don't have a hole punch, so I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm going to put the wing on top of the hole, or the dot, so that you can kind of see the dot through the hole that's in the wing. And then I'm going to put 2 fingers on the back side to support it. And I'm going to press this through at the hole. Be careful not to poke your fingers. If you push carefully, it'll go through right between your fingers. Might want to have an adult help with this part. You don't want to poke your fingers. So then I'm going to push it all the way through so it's flat. Then flip it over, and we're going to press these apart. Nice and flat. And this will help your wing look like it's going to fly. Okay, step 5, put glue on dots. We don't have dots on there. So let's see what step 6 is. Put eye on the bird. So we're going to use the glue for the eye. So where are we going to put the eye? This looks like the tail. We're going to put an eye on the tail? Whoop, I dropped my eye. No, not an eye on the table. How about an eye on the wing? No, not an eye on the wing. How about an eye on the head? Yes. So this is a little eye. So maybe just a little dab of glue. A little dab of glue. A little dab will do. And the eye on the bird. Now he can look really closely at you. Step 7. Put beak on the bird. So what is the beak? This is what our beak looks like. What shape is that? Triangle! So our beak is like our mouth, the bird's mouth. So a lot of glue or just a dab? Yes, just a dab. So a beak on the tail? No. A beak on the wing? No. A beak on the head. A little dab will do. Now he can eat. Pick, 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 pick. And now, step 8, fly, bird, fly. Thanks for playing with me. Have a great day.